Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this neat look crochet leg warmers. I made a short version. You can use it in your boots, or you can make a long version and use it as yoga socks, or you can even make mittens with this same pattern. Just make it smaller, and while you are joining, just leave a hole here. Okay, leave a finger hole and make a mitten, matching mittens. This we are gonna make a rectangle first and join it, so it's so easy. This rectangle is, you see, 25 centimeters. It's 10 inches from here, and from the width is 27 centimeters. Sorry, I forgot to show the measurements before I join it, but it's 27 centimeters, 10.5 inches long. You can make it bigger, it's up to your legs sizes. Just wrap it around your leg, and if it looks good, then it's fine. For this one I use a wool. A nice yarn. It's a category 4 yarn, but it's not a thicker one, so you can use a thicker category 3 yarn to light worsted weight, or a thin worsted weight yarn. And for this I use 5.5 millimeter hook. If you're a loose hand crocheter, you can use 5 millimeter too. And I hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please don't forget to push the like button and leave me some comments. Maybe I couldn't find the time to reply all of them, but I'll always read them. Don't forget this. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's totally free. If you are ready, we can start now. Start with a slip knot and make 51 chains. If you want, you can make it longer or shorter. It's up to your preference. I think I'm gonna make it a kind of middle size. I'm gonna make 51 chains. I made 51 chains. One chain is for the beginning, starting chain. Now turn your chains. We're gonna use this back bumps. We're gonna make single crochets and half double crochets. Single crochets for ribbing, for the beginning and the end. For the rest, we are gonna make half double crochets for this row. It's only 2 row repeat. Now skip this one. Insert into the next. Grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2. That's a single crochet. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now, if you want, you can put a stitch marker here, because we are gonna start to make half double crochets. If you don't want to confuse, put a stitch marker. Yarn over, insert, grab the yarn. I have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all. Insert into the next, make a half double crochet. Half double, And we are gonna keep making half doubles till we have last 8 stitches here. I'll meet you there. I made 34 half doubles, 8 single crochets, and I have 8 more chains left. I'm gonna put single crochets. Yeah. If you want, you can put a stitch marker here. I like to count my stitches. Now chain 1, turn. Now we are gonna start to make our real repeat. We are gonna repeat row 2 and 3 again and again. We are gonna make 8 single crochets, but we will make them from these back loops. That's the front loop, that's the back loop. Insert here, put a single crochet and make 7 more. Once you complete your single crochets, now the trickiest part, we will make half double slip stitches. You see, that's the back loop, that's the front loop, and there is one more loop. We can call it first loop. We're gonna use these first loops and make half double slip stitches. Yarn over, insert into this first one, grab the yarn, and instead of grabbing a yarn and pull through, we are gonna pull through this loop to this 2. Yarn over, insert into the next, grab the yarn, pull through 2. So it will look like that. There will be a line. Keep making this half double slip stitch. You can see where you finish easily. You see, that's our last first loop. We don't have them on this slip stitch. Actually, we have them, but it's so hard to insert them, so we will not use them. We will use back loops for the slip stitch. I'll see you here. When you complete your 34 half double slip stitch, it could be a little hard to see this first single crochet. Don't miss this one. Insert into this back loop, put a single crochet, at 7. For the last single crochet only, you can use both loops. It will look better with this way. Only for the last stitch. Chain 1, turn, make 8 back loop only single crochets, That's our right side, our work's right side. Okay, now we're gonna make one more line. You see, that's the first loop, that's the front loop, that's the back loop. We're gonna use this loop as a stitch now, so we are gonna make our half double crochets into these back loops. Make 34 back loop only half double crochets. I'm at the end. I'm gonna make 8 single crochets, back loop only single crochets. Sorry, use both loops. Chain 1, turn, make 8 single crochets. Now make the row 2 again. That's our front side. Insert from this first loop, make a half double slip stitch. And once you complete them, you will make 8 back loop only single crochet, turn, 8 back loop only single crochet, 34 back loop only half double crochet. Keep repeating this till you satisfy. I totally made 44 rows. I completed it with a half double slip stitch row. If you remember, we started with half double, complete with half double slip stitch. It will be an even number. Your rows count will be an even number. Just wrap it around your leg, and if it fits, then it's okay, but it will fit a medium or large size woman's leg. Now that's the right side. As you can see, turn the wrong side. That's where I started, that's where I complete. We're gonna start to join from here. I'm gonna use 5mm hook. You can just keep going with 5.5, it's not important. Insert into this first loop's bolt loop. Just grab the loop, pull through, make a chain, insert same loop, and from this side you're gonna use back loops. Make a slip stitch, both loops, back loop, slip stitch. Once you reach to the half double crochets, again from here you're gonna use both loops, and from here you're gonna use back loop, first loop, front loop, and back loop. Both loops, back loop. Keep joining with this way till the end. I complete the joining. Now make one more chain and cut this yarn. Then hide the tail. And that's how it looks. That's our joining point. You see, you can see it. It looks beautiful. And you can use it as you like. No, it's a easy peasy project. Hope you like it. If you like, please don't forget to push the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address, it's also my website, Ravelry, Etsy, Pinterest, and you can find me anywhere you want. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.